I'm Rob Sacchetto. I am the zombie guy. You are in the studio with me. We're live, and you guys get to see my sort of process here in the studio, watching me draw a thing from top to bottom. This is Siren Head, as if you didn't know, or as if the title of this video didn't tip you off. But in any case, yeah, this is Siren Head. He looks a little different. I put him in a different kind of stance than his usual, like, tall, gaunt sort of thing, which I like. It takes up more of the page. It has a lot of very interesting characteristics because I tried to make him zombie too. And one of the things with this is there are a lot of versions of it. Like, there's ones with two sort of prong siren towers, and there's 3 sirens and all of that stuff. So, like so many other things these days, I find there's no like concrete like version you can go to find out what the character looks like. Like, it seems like a creepypasta to me, but I also really dig the fact that it could be like a cryptid, which it's also been sort of referenced as. I could go organic with these things more. Maybe I will in the inking, who knows. But for now, because again, I've seen that too. I've seen that, like, it's very organic instead of like, oh yeah, it looks like a couple sirens put on there. You know what I mean? Looks like sirens, but very much more organic. He's basically a very, very close to zombie frame and texture. He's just more monstrous. Like, he's got way bigger hands, feet. You know, he's definitely, you know, either from another dimension or has evolved that way, or it could be like a spirit too. Again, I don't know the lore, man. I'm just making this stuff up. So this was kind of the rough. I'm like working on the rough. Yeah, I can't stop working. Yeah. Now that I see this, I kind of like want to emphasize. Yeah, I want to emphasize this. Like, you got to put up those big areas where, you know, it's like, oh, that's probably the shoulder blade or whatever. So you tell me, what do you think this is more of, a cryptid or a creepypasta? To me, it feels like a creepypasta, but I wish it were a cryptid. I think the cryptid angle is very cool. I think it's totally explainable too. Like, I know it's absurd. Like, I know and again, I don't know the lore, man. I don't know the lore. Everything I'm talking about, I'm just making up, just based on the way the thing looks. Yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, Siren Head, man. Look at that. That looks wicked. Now that the positive spaces have been claimed with the gray, it looks much better. Those wires kind of confuse the eye when they're close by, when it's unpainted. Yeah, it looks kind of like a body line or whatever, because everything's kind of homogeneous at that point, you know. And again, I really like those those sort of foot stirrup things. I don't know if they're in any of the art that I saw. I don't know. It just seems natural to me that they would be, you know, on there. They must be. That's just not my invention. They must be on there. Let's put some yellow in those teeth. And in there too. There. If you'd like, order any kind of zombie art you'd like from me, and you can request it to be live. I don't know if I can do it because of scheduling, but if you'd like to see it done live, I will at least try to put it on my Rob's Zombie Art Apocalypse channel, video series, which is on the video channel. So you can go there and actually see a lot of the requests that I've gotten are posted there. I like the fact that these spines of a spinal cord are almost like, dare I say, Godzilla type spines. Don't do it. Yeah, but that's great. I like that. Now you can really, you know, you can comprehend its girth or its midpoint, and thusly its girth. Girth. There. Can I get a hell yeah? And we're inking, man. And I think this is going to generally be the tone of it. I might put a few splashes of color here and there, but I think this is pretty much going to be, like, after it's inked, it's going to, you know, take a different appearance, of course. Yeah, he is terrifying, man. Think about it. And again, like I said, I don't know the lore, but it seems to me that it would be easy to explain, you know, how this creature became, like, I mean, in science fiction terms, or, you know, whatever, like, mythologically maybe too, in a way, you know, that could be an angle as well, you know, so. Could be a shapeshifter again that decided that this was the most beneficial shape to take to ambush, you know, food. Yeah. The spinal column is fitting. Honestly, it makes it more gruesome and scary. Yeah, I think, right? It kind of, it seems like a no-brainer that would happen. And like I said, I'm not sure if the original has it, but you know, I put it in anyway because it seemed to make sense. Yeah, that's coming along, yo. Yeah, that is coming along. See, like I said, I'm putting an extra, like, appendage there. Yeah, of course, it's been neat seeing you, seeing your process while you work. Yeah, man, it looks awesome. Very fitting for the character, honestly. I'm sure Trevor would dig it a lot. Yeah, I should find him and maybe tag him when I finally post this, and see what he thinks. You know, I was really delighted when Lunette, Allison there, at the con was very, very receptive, positively receptive to the zombie portrait I did of her and the doll. So it's nice to see that, man. It's very nice to see that. And I'm sure, like, you know, the creator of this, you know, already acknowledges the fact that it's a horror thing, you know, of course, right? There we go. I think we got it there, guys. Don't forget to put your name. Thank you so much for stopping in and checking out the live stream tonight, man. It was great having you. I hope you subscribe to the channel. It would really mean a lot. I've been Rob Sacchetto, the zombie guy, drawing Siren Head as a zombie. For the final reveal, check out Zombie Daily for the final reveal of Siren Head here. And it will be up soon. Zombie Daily, the link is in the description below. Got a zombie portrait at zombieportraits.com. Check out the Sick Store, sickstore.ca. I'm gonna bid you all adieu. Check out the other videos on the Video Station channel, part of the channel. And you'll be delighted by those as well. Rob Sacchetto signing off. The zombie guy says, best wishes and love.
Pop culture had a good run, but the infection spread. Meet Rob Sacchetto, the man infecting pop culture, one zombie at a time. No one's safe.